Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the best shopping hacks that will help you save money and shop smarter, no matter where you are in the world. Whether you're shopping online or in store, these tips will help you get the best value and make the most of every purchase. Shall we start? 1. Online shopping. Let's start with online shopping hacks that work globally. First, use price comparison tools like Google Shopping or Idealo to compare prices across different regions. Next, consider using VPNs to access country-specific deals and discounts. Also, sign up for international newsletters to get exclusive offers from global retailers. 2. In-store shopping. Now, let's explore in-store shopping hacks that are useful worldwide. Always check local stores for loyalty programs, as many countries offer points or discounts. Look for local sales events, like seasonal markets or holiday discounts, and don't forget to explore smaller, local shops for unique finds and better prices. It's always good to support small local retailers competing with the biggies like Walmart, Tesco, etc. 3. Tech and apps for smart shopping. Let's harness technology for smarter shopping. Apps like ShopSavvy and Price Spy are available globally and can help you compare prices across different countries. Budgeting apps can help you manage expenses, and don't forget to use currency converter apps to ensure you're getting the best deal when shopping internationally. 4. Sustainable and ethical shopping. Sustainable shopping is a global movement. Look for international brands that prioritize ethical sourcing and fair trade practices. Thrift stores and secondhand markets are also prevalent worldwide, allowing you to find unique and eco-friendly items at a fraction of the cost. 5. Leveraging discounts and coupons. Discounts and coupons are universal. Use global coupon websites like Honey or Coupons.com to find deals that work in multiple countries. Always check for local promotions and consider using apps that aggregate discounts from around the world. And that's a wrap on our global shopping hacks. We hope these tips help you save money and shop smarter, no matter where you are. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your own shopping hacks in the comments below.